Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the key fob battery on this style of Hyundai fob. So first off, we're going to go ahead and open up the key right here, and then we're going to turn it just like this, face down. Then use our two thumbs and open up this back cover, take it off just like that. And then this is going to be a CR2032 battery. And then we're going to use our thumb, push that down just like that. And then there's going to be a little bit of a gap right there. Pop out that CR2032 battery. And then we're going to insert the new battery just right here. And there's a little spring right there, so we're going to go in just like this. Snap it in. Then we're going to get our back cover, and we're going to make sure this side goes in first. Make sure it's aligned. And snap it in. Make sure everything looks the way it should. And there you go.